Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pharma Learning with Deepika. I hope you all are doing great. So without wasting your time, let's start a new video on multiple choice questions on the chapter drawing. For my theory videos on the chapter drawing, you can check the link in the description box, or you can click on the I button also. So let's start the multiple choice question on the chapter drawing. So the first question is, which direct heating by hot air cannot be done in some cases? So the first option is the material can degrade. B option, high temperature not required. C option, low temperature not required. D option, conduction gives best result. So the correct answer is option A, that is the material can degrade. Question second, when are drum dryers used? So the option A is when the material is too thick for spray dryer and too thin for rotary dryer. Option B, when the material is too thick for rotary dryer and too thin for spray dryer. Option C, when the material is not biodegradable. Option D, when large crystal size is to be obtained. So the correct answer is A, that is when the material is too thick for spray dryer and too thin for rotary dryer. Next question is, how is heating achieved in drum dryers? Option A, by heating the drums. B, by conduction. C, by passing steam through hollow screw. D, by passing steam through the conveyor belt. So the correct answer is C, that is by passing steam through hollow screw. Next question is, what is the drum dryer collect if it is open to the atmosphere? Option A, open dryer. Option B, box dryer. Option C, trough dryer. Option D, trench dryer. So the correct answer is C, that is trough dryer. Next question is, which materials are not used in drying in a freeze dryer? Option A, seafood. B, fruits. C, pharmaceuticals. D, dye. So the correct answer is D, that is dye. Next question is, how the liquid does get separated in freeze dryer? Option A, boiling. B, distillation. C, freezing and crystallization. D, evaporation. So the correct answer is C, that is freezing and crystallization. Next question is, heat sensitive or easily oxidizable materials are dried by option A, flash dryer. B, drum dryer. C, fluidized bed dryer. D, rotary dryer. So the correct answer is A, that is flash dryer. Next question is, with what is the feed introduced in the spray dryer? Option A, spray. B, atomizer. C, nucleator. D, heat exchanger. So the correct answer is B, that is atomizer. Next question is, what is the use of a high pressure nozzle or a drilling disc in a spray dryer? Option A, increasing contact time. Option B, decreasing contact time. Option C, agitation. D, atomization. So the correct answer is D, that is atomization. Which dryer used radiation for drying? Option A, spray dryer. B, drum dryer. C, flash dryer. D, microwave dryer. So the correct answer is D, that is microwave dryer. Next question is, direct dryers are dash. Option A, batch dryers. B, continuous dryers. C, semi-batch dryers. D, none of the mentioned. So the correct option is A, that is batch dryer. Next question is, cabinet or the tray dryers are direct dryers. Option A, true. B, false. C, may be true. Yeah, none of this. So the correct answer is A, that is true. Next question is, constant drying conditions include option A, temperature constant. B, humidity constant. C, velocity constant. D, all of the mentioned. So the correct answer is D, that is all of the mentioned. Next question is, for estimating the dryer size, it is necessary to know dash. Option A, time of drying. B, heat of drying. C, speed of drying. D, all of the above. So the correct answer is A, that is time of drying. Next question is, for estimating the dryer size, it is necessary to know dash. Option A, time of drying. B, heat of drying. C, speed of drying. D, all of the above. So the correct answer is B, that is heat of drying. Next question is, calculating the flux kg per square meter per second if mass of a dry solid is 8 kg, weight surface area is 4 square meter. Change in the moisture content with time is 0.4 second. Options are A 0.4, B 0.6, C 0.8 or D 0.9. So the correct answer is C, that is 0.8. So weight surface area is 4 square meter multiplied by 8 divided by 0.4 per second. So it's 4 to 4 cancel out and the answer remains 0.8. Then the other part, then the constant rate period in the batch drying curve is falling rate period. Option A true, B false, C may be true, D none of this. So the correct answer is A, that is true. Next question is find the gas phase mass transfer coefficient for unbound moisture to remove if the flux is 5 kg per square meter per second and the difference in humidity of the liquid and the main stream is 0.5 unit. So the options are A 5, B 10, C 20, D 30. So the correct answer is B, that is 10. So 5 kg per square meter divided by 0.5 unit, so it becomes 10. Now next question is the value of dash remains constant while drying if speed and direction of the gas flow never changes. Option A mass transfer coefficient, B humidity, C moisture, D none of the above. So the correct answer is A, that is mass transfer coefficient. Next question is if the dry spot appears in the substance in the batch drying curve at dash, A critical moisture content, B equilibrium moisture content, C bound moisture, D unbound moisture. So the correct answer is A, that is critical moisture content. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you are liking my videos. If you like my videos, then subscribe to my channel and share my videos as much as you can with your friends and family members. Stay safe and healthy. Bye bye. Take care.